Hey little inventor, wanna see something super cool? Watch this. The water comes out all by itself just when I show my hands. It's like the tap has eyes. I didn't touch anything, I just showed my hand and then smart tap said time to wash. Now our mission is to make a square-like structure by using those sticks. And attach the IR sensor, pipe and a water motor to the structure. Take the 2-pin JST cables and connect it to the motor terminal and take the other 3-pin JST cable and connect it to the IR sensor. Then connect the both JST cables end terminals to the respective pins of the brain board. And now we'll write a code for making a smart water dispenser. Firstly, we have to import the libraries called import pin and I2C. And then the next library is called import time. Pin is to connect the sensors and I2 is to talk to the motor control chip. And time is to manage the time delays between the processes. And next we have to connect the I2C module, which is called as PCF chip. And we have to configure like this, and we have to give 2 pins from ESP to the PCF module like this. D1 and D2 of ESP is connected to the PCF input, and PCF address is 0 into 20. Next we are going to set up the IR sensors. We are taking IR1 and IR2. We connect two IR sensors to D3 and D4. These acts like eyes. They detect if something is in front of them. If they see black, they give 0. If they see white, they give 1. And we have to make it like this. We are keeping like pin dot in. Why? Because these are input sensors. We are going to control the motor using 2 bits on the PCF chip, P1 and P0. We use these to turn the motor on and off. To turn the motor on, we send P1 to high and P0 to low. This makes the motor rotate in one direction. We keep it like making a function called motor on. It will write the command to the PCF address, and this makes the motors rotate in particular direction. And we are going to print the output like this. Now we need to have another function for motor off, and this is also like the same. But a little bit of different. And we are also printing that motors are off. And now here the main loop comes. While true means it will continuously works without stopping. If IR1 get 0 off. If either IR sensor sees something, we turn the motor on. If both sensors sees nothing, we turn the motor off. And now we have to add a short delay in it. And to add that short delay, we have to write it like and now let's have a final recap. Here we used IR sensors to detect the obstacles. If nothing is detected, then the motors are turning on. If something is detected, if something is detected, then the motors are turning on. If nothing is detected, then the motors are turning off. And it is taking the input for every 0.2 seconds. After writing the main code, save the file as main.py on your ESP8266. This file runs automatically when the board is powered on. Now it's time to check our code working. Turn on your ESP power supply. Then take a glass along with a bowl of water. Then try to interact with IR sensor. Now if you see, the water is flowing automatically without any touches on, without any switches. When you remove your hand from the IR sensor, then water will stop automatically.